Hello everyone, welcome back to KSR Data Vision YouTube channel. So today we will be discussing about how we can integrate our Power BI reports into Canvas Power Apps. So let's see this thing in action. So for that, let me open the Canvas app. So suppose this is the Canvas app that you have. Okay. So in this Canvas app, suppose in the new screen, you want to add a Power BI report or tile. So what you need to do, you have to click on insert, you have to click on charts, and then you will be able to see these four icons here. You will click on Power BI tile. So then once you will be clicking on Power BI tile, you will need to fill these three details. Okay. So if you click on this, you will be able to see all the workspaces which you have access to. So once you will be selecting the workspace, then you will be able to see all the dashboards in that workspace. So then from that dashboard, you can select the tile that you want to display here. Okay. So similarly, let me open Power BI for you and show you how it looks like. So let me open a new tab, or let me use this one. So for Power BI, it will be app.powerbi.com. Okay, so it will take few seconds and Power BI workspace will get open here in Power BI service. So this is how it will look like. So once you will click on workspaces, you will be able to see all the workspaces which you have access to. So suppose the dashboard that we want to integrate with Canvas app lies in this workspace. So you will click on this workspace, you will be able to see all the things here. But here, if you have seen in the Canvas app, you are getting this option for dashboard. So that means you can integrate dashboard with that thing. So if you will click on dashboard, so here you can see this is how your dashboard is looking like. You have one page and then this is the second thing. This is the second visual in your dashboard. Okay. So let us go to our Canvas app and try to embed this visual here. Okay. Let us go and see what happens. So if I'll select on the workspace, that is Power Platform Power BI KSR in our requirement, then they will ask us to select the dashboard. As of now, we have only one dashboard in the workspace. That's why we are getting only one option here. So then we can select the tile. So we have only two tiles. So if I'll select on this sum of actual price, so just wait for a few seconds and check. So now if you see that thing related to Power BI, this product ID table is integrated. If you go to your dashboard and see sum of actual price was this visual, so it got integrated in the Canvas app. So now if you want to see in your Canvas app, you will simply go to the Canvas app play mode and you can see it is there, right? So if you will be clicking on that, so then it is redirecting you to the Power BI. Okay. So now this is the way how you can integrate the dashboard visualizations here in Canvas app. But now suppose you want to integrate a report altogether. Okay, in that case, what you need to do? Out of the box, you're not getting any function, right? So in that case, what you need to do, you can go back to your Canvas app. You can go back to your Power BI, go back to your environment. So suppose I want to integrate this PP1 KSR report in Power BI in Canvas Power Apps. So let it open. So once it is open, so here you can see you have few options here, right? You have few options like if you will click on chart view, you are able to see charts. If you will click on table view, you are able to see tables, right? So suppose I want to integrate this page into the Canvas app. So what I need to do, I will click on file, I'll click on embed report, I'll click on this website or portal. So then here you can see this is the embedded link that is generated for Power BI. So this link can be used to embed this report in any website or any third-party website, like where you want this report to get embedded. So we will take out this link, Control A, Control C, and let's go back to our Canvas app. So just select the control for the Power BI tile that you have added. Go to these action properties, click on tile URL. So here you can see it has automatically generated the URL for the previous steps that we have done. So just replace this URL with the one that we copied. Okay, and just see the magic. So now just wait for a few seconds and it will automatically integrate your Power BI report with the Canvas app. You don't need to share it with the users, what to say, individually, both reports and Canvas app. You can integrate in the Canvas app and you can share it with the user. User will be able to view both your Canvas app as well as your Power BI report. Look, it is loading data. Let me go to the play mode and show you guys how it will look like so that you guys are getting clear idea around this. Look, this is how it is looking now as of now, right? So here the report is integrated. If I'll click on chart view, so look, everything will work. Look, this is getting changed, right? The visuals are getting changed. Even you can apply filters also from here. If I want this AMD data, I'll click on AMD. Everything is getting sliced. If I'll click on most loved, so everything will work. Every functionality that you can do in the Power BI, now you can do that directly in the Power Apps. So this is how Power BI reports can be integrated with Power Apps. So I have explained all the two ways which were there. So that was all from my end for today. So now if you have any query related to anything, these are the courses that we provide at KSR Data Vision. If you have any query related to anything, you can call us on the number that are flashing on the screen. Thank you very much.